Now we are going to see what you mean by mixed numbers or mixed fractions. Okay, mixed numbers or mixed fractions. In some cases, you can see fractions like this, that is 4 1 by 3, 2 3 by 4. Okay, then what 5 9 by 6. Okay, fractions like this. Okay, these are called mixed numbers or mixed fractions. That means what? A mixed number or a mixed fraction will always contain a whole number. Okay, 4 is a whole number, 2 is a whole number, 5 is a whole number. Okay, so a mixed number will always contain a whole number and a fraction. Okay, a mixed number or a mixed fraction will always contain a whole number and a fraction. Okay, it will contain a whole number and a fraction. It's must. Okay, so that is what a mixed number or a mixed fraction is. Whole number means what? Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay, these numbers are called what? Whole number. Okay, so a mixed number or a mixed fraction will always contain a whole number plus a fraction. It will contain a whole number and a fraction. Understood everybody? So these are called what? Mixed number or mixed fraction. Now let's see how you can convert a mixed number or a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Improper fraction means what? Denominator will be larger than numerator. Okay, so how you can convert this mixed number into a improper fraction? Now let's see that. Okay, so now we are going to convert a mixed number. 2 3 by 4 is a mixed number, isn't it? Why it is a mixed number? Because it contains a whole number 2 and a fraction 3 by 4, isn't it? So it is a mixed number. Now you want to see or you want to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. Okay, for that what you have to do first? First of all, the first step is that you have to multiply the whole number part. What is whole number here? You want to multiply. So what you have to do? You have to multiply the whole number into the denominator. Okay, first of all you want to multiply the whole number with denominator. Okay, whole number into denominator. This is the first step. So what is the whole number here? Here the whole number is 2, isn't it? 2 into what is the denominator here? The denominator is 4. So what you will get? 2 into 4 equal to 8. Okay, so this is the first step. Understood? Now what is the next step? Second step is that you want to add the answer 8. Okay, you got the answer 8 here. You want to add the answer 8 to the numerator. Okay, so the answer plus numerator, that is 8 plus what is numerator here? 3. What is 8 plus 3? That is equal to 11. Understood? What will be the answer? The answer will be, now you got this answer as 11. So 11 will be written as the numerator. The last answer that you have got will be written as the numerator. And what will be the denominator? Denominator will be the same, that is 4 only. Okay, in this question itself the denominator was 4. So the denominator will be the same, that is 4 itself. But what will be the numerator? First of all you have to multiply the whole number 2 into denominator. Then you will get 8, that is 2 into 4, that is 8. And you want to add the numerator 3 with this 8. So 8 plus 3 equal to 11. That 11 will be the numerator and 4 will be the denominator. Okay, so now you have converted the mixed number 2 3 by 4 to improper fraction 11 by 4. Understood everybody? This is how you are converting a mixed number into improper fraction. Now let us see how you can convert an improper fraction to mixed number. Okay, that is the reverse. That is how you can convert an improper fraction to mixed number. That is also very simple. Now let's see that. So here you can see that we are going to convert the improper fraction 17 by 5 into mixed number. Okay, we are going to convert improper fraction 17 by 5 into mixed number. So for that, here the question is 17 by 5. So in order to convert this into a mixed number, first you want to take what? 17 divided by 5. This is the fraction. So you have to divide the 17 by 5. Okay. So when you are dividing 17 by 5, what you will get? You can see that 3 into 5 equal to 15 and the remainder will be 2. Okay, this is how you are dividing 17 by 5. Now, to convert this into mixed number, what you have to write? The whole number part will be what? The quotient. Okay, this is the quotient here. 3 is the quotient. So this quotient can be written as whole number part, that is 3. Now the divisor, this is the divisor, isn't it? This divisor 5 will be written as the numerator. This divisor 5 will be written as the denominator, and the remainder 2. Okay, the remainder 2 will be written as the numerator. So 3 2 by 5 will be the answer. Understood? First of all, you want to write the quotient as the whole number and the remainder as the numerator and divisor as the denominator. So this 17 by 5 can be written as 3 2 by 5. So you have converted the improper fraction 17 by 5 into mixed number 3 2 by 5. Okay, so this is very simple. This is how you are converting a improper fraction into a mixed number. Understood everybody? The conversion of both improper fraction into mixed number and mixed number into improper fraction. Okay, now I will give you some examples and you have to work out that. Okay, so this is the first question, that is you have to convert into improper fraction. All these are mixed numbers. You want to convert this into improper fractions. Okay, that is very simple. I have already told that is just multiplying then adding. That will be the numerator and denominator will be the same. Okay, in that manner you have to convert this. Now let's see the next question. So this is the next question, that is convert into mixed fractions. First question is 19 by 2, second 13 by 3, third 14 by 3, fourth 19 by 5. So these are the questions. You have to just convert into mixed fraction, that is just dividing 19 by 2, and I have already told how to take denominator and numerator. Okay, so these are the questions. You have to do that.